I would like to introduce to you the Easy Plant. This is a boom and it replaces pebbles like this. It's eco-friendly, it's biodegradable. It is so easy and clean to use. The outer cover, this is the cartridge. This is 100% biodegradable and it consists of 100% keratin. Step number one, it is important to look and see if there are holes, in your pot. What you normally do is you use this boom and you roll it up in a round shape like this and you place it inside the pot. So it looks like that. It's not necessary just to use, one boom. You can even use 2 or 3 booms. It is so easy and clean and quick. So basically, number 2, we use a second boom, roll it up again, and we place it on top of the first one. Even the water can run through it, so it releases nitrogen, and it is very good for the root system of a plant. Water normally I promise you, it was easy and quick and hassle-free. No pebbles, and that with Easy Plant.